Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Airtel Payment Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Airtel Payment Bank Login. And as the search result, click on the first one. And as the search result, you can see on the first option, Airtel Payments Bank Login. Click on it and it will take you to this interface. Over here, to log in into your account, enter the registered mobile number of your account. And once you do that, click on Send OTP. It will send OTP to this mobile number and use that OTP to log in into your account. And in case if you guys do not have your account, click here Register Now to create account on Airtel Payment Bank account. Click here Register Now to create an account on Airtel Bank. So this is how you can log in into your Airtel Payment Bank account using So this is how you can log in into your Airtel Payment Bank. So this was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.